no left turn out of that parking lot. Yay! Jesus. Wake up, Rocky. To myself, the second best. We don't know what's up ahead. That was right turn only, Toyotard. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look at friggin' ass. Pass fail. Cut off. We're in the red light. I don't think that was the intended target or something. Intended result, how's that? That was cut off. Okay. Yeah. Thought of renting a truck for that? You just make an illegal U-turn. I think you made an illegal U-turn and you ran a red light. Okay. $3.56. That's no left turn, 3 to 7. Is that Monday through Friday? I don't think so. Left turn regret. Hey, that was red, you shitbag. Yellow. Bet he runs it. He ran that. Okay. Don't hit me. Okay. Do you fucking mind? Cut the shit, lady, will ya? Now roll the stop. There you go. Surely you're not going to do what I think you're about to do. Scumbag! To your turn! I think you're in the red. Stop. Stop. Now, are you gonna stop? Oh my god, he stopped. No, 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 no. It's still red for you, Baldy. Back out. I think they ran the red light. Hi, how you doing? Racing, 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 racing. Uh-huh. Oh boy, what the fuck? Could you be any closer? Cut him off again? Yeah! Alright. Yeah, okay. You're an asshole. Wait, was that a cutoff back there? Was that a cutoff back there?